Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 5 insidious foods you can't lose weight with. Test your diet. People from time to time think about the need to lose their own weight. They perfectly understand that for this purpose it is necessary to exclude from the diet everything fried, salted, canned and flour in any form. However, you should make friends with various fat-burning foods. However, not all so simple. There are products that are generally quite harmless, but they will become a serious obstacle to achieving your dream of a perfect body. Apple. Apples are high in carbohydrates that should be minimized in the process of losing weight. In addition, they contain a lot of fructose, which is nothing more than sugar. Its excess, which calories in general leads to the appearance of body fat. This is due to the body's habit of saving unspent resources in reserve. Fresh juice. It would seem that there can be no sugar or other preservatives here. What is not an ideal product for you when losing weight? But in fact, they have practically no fiber, which is why they poorly saturate the body, but they deliver a decent dose of sugar, albeit natural, but still. Frozen food. It has already become common practice for manufacturers to add preservatives to frozen meals, including sodium, which helps to retain water in the body. In addition, meat products, in which there is a minimum of natural raw materials, are often questioned. Low-fat yogurt. The problem with low-fat foods is that they taste bad. Therefore, manufacturers add flavor enhancers and a starch-containing substance maltodextrin to such a product, which cause a jump in insulin in the blood, but they do not indicate these components in the composition. Instant porridge. Various muesli and cereals are advertised every day under the guise of healthy and quick breakfasts, but they contain a huge amount of sweeteners and refined carbohydrates that only contribute to weight gain. If you want to lose weight, you should also eliminate spices from your diet. Most hot spices, for example, mustard, hot red and ground black pepper, horseradish, increase appetite. They cause an increased secretion of juice in the stomach, as well as pancreatic and bile enzymes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.